There's something magical about the idea of a weekend getaway, a brief escape from the monotony of everyday life, a chance to breathe deeply, explore freely, and indulge in experiences that refresh the soul. With only a handful of hours at your disposal, the trick lies in embracing the art of efficient travel. From choosing the right destination to packing smart and savoring every moment, a short trip can leave you feeling as renewed as a week-long vacation if done right. The first step in planning any weekend adventure is picking the perfect destination. Proximity is key when you're working with limited time. Whether it's a quaint town just a couple of hours away or a vibrant city accessible by a short flight, your goal should be to minimize travel time and maximize exploration. If you're a nature lover, envision a secluded cabin nestled in the mountains, surrounded by trails and serene views. Or perhaps a sunlit beach with soft sands and rolling waves sounds more like your idea of bliss. For those who crave the pulse of a city, there are endless options. Bustling streets, museums waiting to be explored, and culinary delights around every corner. And if relaxation is your priority, imagine a boutique hotel or vineyard retreat where tranquility is served with every glass of wine. With the destination set, it's time to plan the itinerary. The balance between structured plans and free time is critical. Overloading your schedule can turn your escape into a race against the clock, leaving little room for the joy of discovery. Instead, choose 2 or 3 highlights for each day. Let's say you arrive on a Friday afternoon. Check into your accommodation, freshen up, and find a cozy local cafe for lunch. From there, take a leisurely walk, exploring nearby landmarks or simply soaking in the ambiance of your surroundings. End the day with a dinner reservation at a well-reputed restaurant, savoring dishes that capture the essence of the place. Saturday could begin with a hearty breakfast, perhaps at a diner with rave reviews or a charming bistro known for its pastries. From there, dive into the day's main activity. It might be a hike to a breathtaking viewpoint, a visit to an iconic museum, or a boat ride on a tranquil lake. After the morning's adventures, ease into the afternoon with something more relaxed. Picture yourself browsing a local market, sampling artisanal goods, or pampering yourself at a spa. And as the sun sets, let the evening lead you to something memorable. Live music at a local venue, a wine tasting, or even a casual night stroll under city lights or starlit skies. Sunday always arrives too quickly, but it's an opportunity for a warm, lingering farewell to your destination. Begin the day with brunch, a leisurely affair at a top-rated spot where you can indulge in pancakes or avocado toast paired with freshly brewed coffee. If time allows, fit in a visit to a final attraction. Maybe it's a quiet garden, an art gallery, or a scenic viewpoint to capture one last picture. By the early afternoon, it's time to head home, leaving yourself just enough of a buffer to unwind and prepare for the week ahead. Packing for a weekend getaway can feel like a game of strategy. With limited time, the last thing you want is to be weighed down by unnecessary items. A small, versatile bag is all you need. Choose a few neutral clothing pieces that can be mixed and matched, allowing you to shift from daytime exploring to evening outings with ease. Think of dark jeans paired with a crisp shirt or a casual dress layered with a lightweight sweater. Shoes should follow a similar philosophy. One comfortable pair for walking and a sleeker option for nights out. Your toiletries should be travel-sized, neatly stored in reusable containers to save space. Add in a portable charger, a water bottle, and perhaps a compact camera if photography is your passion. Food often becomes one of the highlights of a getaway, and it's worth doing a little research before you go. Apps like Yelp and Google Maps can help uncover hidden gems, whether it's a bustling food truck, a cozy bakery, or a farm-to-table restaurant. For those venturing into nature, packing snacks or a picnic can turn any spot into a dining experience. Imagine unwrapping a meal on a mountaintop or by a serene lake, letting the beauty of your surroundings enhance every bite. Of course, travel itself can be a challenge, but a few simple comforts make it easier. A neck pillow can transform a long drive or flight into a chance to rest. Noise-canceling headphones shut out distractions, letting you immerse yourself in music or an audiobook. Don't forget snacks to fuel your energy throughout the journey. Granola bars, dried fruit, or a handful of nuts tucked into your bag can be a lifesaver. As you navigate the hours of your getaway, remember that the true reward lies not in the number of places you visit, but in the depth of the moments you experience. Pause to savor a cup of coffee. Let your eyes linger on a scenic vista, or chat with a local who might share a piece of wisdom or a secret spot worth visiting. Keep a travel journal to jot down memories or simply take mental snapshots of the smiles, sights, and sounds that make the trip special. When the journey ends and you return home, give yourself time to ease back into your routine. Unpack slowly, reflect on the highlights, and perhaps start dreaming about the next destination. A weekend getaway may be brief, but the joy, relaxation, and inspiration it brings can resonate far beyond those fleeting days. Thanks for joining me on this journey to crafting the perfect weekend getaway. Whether you're planning a quick escape to the mountains, a vibrant city adventure, or a relaxing retreat, remember that every moment counts. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more travel tips and inspiration. Let me know in the comments your favorite weekend getaway destination or tips for traveling on a time crunch. See you in the next video, and happy travels!